How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best Bambu Studio settings for the PLA filament. So the first thing that you want to do is to edit out the core filament setting. So in my case, I'm going to be editing this filament right here, which is going to be the PLA. Click on the edit button, and the first thing that I recommend is changing the nozzle temperature. So basically we have our print temperature right here, and I suggest using the 220 degrees Celsius. And for the outer layer, you want to use 210 and 220. This is the ideal for stable flow. Now for the bed temperature, basically you want to use the textured PEI or smooth PEI plate, and then you want to set it to 55 to 65 degrees Celsius. For cool plate, you want to set 35 to 55 degrees Celsius. Now, we also have our volumetric speed right here. Basically, for high quality third-party PLA, you want to increase the max volumetric speed to 15 millimeters per second. For up to generic ones, can be 12 millimeter per second. Basically, this can improve print speed without sacrificing quality. And for the cooling and speed for quality, let's go ahead and change the other ones. So let's navigate through cooling. And then you want to keep the fan for the first layer to prevent wrapping. You want to keep it 0%, as you can see right here. And you want to set to 100 for all other layers to maintain the sharp detailed and over crisp overhangs. Now for the auxiliary fan on the enclosed printers like the P1S or X1C, setting this to 70 between 100% helps cool large PLA parts, though it can occasionally cause warping on one side if too aggressive. So you could just test this out whether what works best. And lastly, for strength and adhesion, for wall loops, you want to change this into something like 3 to 4 walls for significantly stronger functional parts. For the infill pattern, which is going to be inside support. Now for the infill pattern, you want to use gyro right here. And basically you want to set this into something like 15 to 20% because it provides excellent strength in all directions and prevents the nozzle from scraping over the infill during high-speed moves. And lastly, for the initial layer or the first layer speed, you want to slow down the initial layer speed between 20 and 35 millimeters per second to guarantee a perfect foundation. So that's all the settings for the best PLA on Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.